Batman and take down Batman and transmission. And I want bad look still. But I know that with the transmission, them I win. The man full of blood clot style. The man full of style, your pussy clot. The man full of style like the whole of them. A transmission war I go on fire and I choose to see how I go. Be a transmission war if you need money to blow clot. Transmission. What are they? Me pussy clot. The transmission them a war fish it in a plate money. Me pussy clot. I be a transmission. Transmission and this transmission. Me see a transmission go to Nicky and Nicky this transmission. And transmission go back and I be a transmission and this transmission. Pussy clot, a revolution are televised. Right in front of your eyes. Who have the transmission them? Me pussy clot. Hold on, me not want phone something. Me want phone something, you know. Me want phone stand away there. He man they make away name. I know fish will look like donkey. He man they make him man at this every Batman. He man this at these people. He man if I actually not trade. Can me say about transmission thing. I don't put a full time match. Me see all the man. I will not put up back a batty boy in the right queue, you know. Now lick down the bomb buckler, facing the bomb buckler, shit up people. Every shit in a plate, watch me on the bomb buckler. Don't you tell me easy from what watch me on the bomb buckler. I told me I own a personal business. I remember me no beg for the app. So me have to out hustle my own. Me can't sit down and tell no my blood clot business for food. Me can't be a bad man. Go suck on no mother. How this go? Hold on, let me take out that phone out of it. I'm gonna put on traction on the live, man. Buckler. I'll show you this gun on Shalam. And I know a fish will look like donkey. Will look like donkey. Like donkey. I put on traction on the bomb buckler like the speed and the meter now move and the car one drive. Me no ramping me no say me no ramping people already. Me go back in my yard, no ramping me no. I say me no ramping people already no. Some bomb buckler traction on the live. So I go on there man. And I know a fish will look like donkey. Shalam got all in papers. And people are talking about, I'm a police, pull up a skip. I can't say, I mean, you're Shalam, you know. Anyway, we go, you say, I say, at them, I sit in a plate, at them, I fake, you know. Me tell you, say, anybody buck up on Shalam, see him like how me Tanya, and just want to catch me in one good mood. No catch me in a fuck up spirit and my blood pressure high. Once you catch me in one good mood, I see him anything, but no catch me when my blood pressure high like this. Right now, my blood pressure high, you know. You see how long I don't come here? See how long I don't come out here? I stress, you know, my blood pressure high, you know. I say, I come out here, come fuck around, you know. Cause you see, TikTok is a place to make you laugh and enjoy yourself. It calm your blood pressure. I like over here, that's why I like over here. Whether me live or me not live, me a browse, you can't hold a joy, you can't hold a laugh. You know them thing there? And you know why worst thing? The people them where do things to make you laugh, and that make you laugh, you know. All of them things make you laugh. But they wouldn't understand. Anyways, Guzman, what I want? Anyways. Yeah, man, I lost I don't beat. It's go to them know, to all of them know. And you see that before me tell you, 10 police stop me. 10 different set of police. Alright. One night time me a chop a bomb buckler at 2 I go in. I chop it 2 and me pass one police, me a follow one boy, because you have to know if you drive, you know. Me a follow one blood clot Benz. And the dog are pressing up, but me can't chop him, you know. But me the right and I follow him. Alright, that's a grown. Because I know it told the police they chop on a tree and a shade, you know. I push out the little gun in us. But you see me know, you see me, and the grown, the police comes out in the night, you know, plem, and blink him. How I go and more did after him pull over and blink. I say, oh, you feel you're not getting already, I'll be gone. You see, by the time I reach up the road, I road blocked up blood clot. And I pull over, when me did man them long time up there, wait for me, the pan phone, yeah man, me see him. So I say, what? I say, what's the problem, Scotto? What's the problem, Shalam? I must have they say, I overtake everything I come to give you. They say, yeah, car. I tell you to the officer. I told you this, you know, they make that road that we have paid $2,500. You see when me done that told you? Me have to block it down to you, dog. Me say, officer, me don't know if you don't drive, if I'm free gas on the gas. But listen to me. You see when you finish that told you? When they start it, anyone I entrance they start, you push it button, you get one card, come out so. And a free pass card, you know. You see when you finish it all, you see any amount of drive when me drive, Panda told them me have to pay for it, you know. If I even walk, Panda me have to pay, you know. And you see when me hen, if me not have money for pay, you know, me have to walk, go back and give them a card, you know. And me have to find me way back, and me don't know me I go back, you know, because you can't reverse, you know. So this a toll I make for, not even police for the pan toll, you know. This a toll I make for drive, you know, officer. You see, I only tell you can't put your car in a sport mode, you know. I only road when I no cutlass pan where chop your tire, you know. And me say me have to go down in a testimony, me have to say, officer. I only road this when where you can't drive, you know. You see, if you want if your car, I only road this, you know. Where you can't, you see, if you get one car with sport mode, I only tell you can put in a sport mode, you know. And you mean if you tell me, say, when they, that's why I say big up, I hope, chop bomb buckler, my blood pressure, I like the ganja, you know. I don't want to disrespect them, you know. Because they move like they don't know the truth, you know. Every time they do that, something to me like they want to embarrass me every time. In money that even go to Uno, Jamaica, that China man I get it. And me can't even drive. Me can't even press out the car where China man them bill give me for press out pan it. And them me have to pay money for the car. Me have to pay money for the toll. Me have to pay money if me want to tap and shot a piss for the toll. And the bomb back that to me. And then I pull police and pull me over Rasta man. You don't understand nothing going on, man. You don't tap move like you a Superman in a man. And tap move like you a Gladys Knight. How I'm doing, man? I only wrote that way when they cutlass not the pan. When cutlass them not the pan. I only wrote that. I want to know where the man Batman come from. Where some Batman come from? Van give me them back a Batman, man. I'm not talking about the Batman. I want to the Batman. No, the Batman attention. It's a police matter. I'm telling you about him, man. I'm not care. No, going away. No, no responsibility in the posty one. When I move away for full time, man. I'm telling you about him, buckler, man. On the Bumbuckler time, man. Bumbuckler. Every day we have mentioned Batman over here. I patrol me talk about this man, they cut last time when them on the toll road. And the police them when that even feed up on the toll. Bumbuckler there, me no lie, you know. You must feel like me a Bumbuckler shithead. I'm an internet geek. Me study law, cause only thing where you can use against me. Who this a calm? There, what? Let me try to keep you here.